Hello everyone, welcome back to your maths class. Students, in today's video you will understand about point, line segment and the rays. Okay, so first we have point. What is point? A point is a location represented by a dot like this. This is the point. This point does not have any length. इस point की कोई length नहीं है. No width, right? Length नहीं है, width नहीं है, कोई shape नहीं है, and no size, right? This look like a dot. It doesn't have any length, width, shape or size. It has only position, right? This is the left position, this is the right position. Clear? So this dot, this point just have position, right? We represent it with the capital letter. If we want to read it, how we will read it? Point A. Clear? For example, if I am giving it name C, so I will read it as point C. Clear? So what is point? Point look like a dot. It doesn't have any length, width, shape or size. It just have position and we name it with capital letters like point A. Next is line. What is line? If I draw this in this direction and in this direction, in both the direction I am increasing it. So this is line. So what is line? Line passes through two or more points. It does not have any end point. End point nahi hai. In end we have arrows. It means we can extend it in both the direction. We can extend it in right and in left. Right? So it does not have any end point. We can extend it to the left or the right. Clear? So a line is a long thin mark on a surface. It does not have end points. It extends indefinitely in both the directions, like to the left and to the right, both. Right? How we name it? Suppose this line is passing through the point A and B. These are not the ending points, right? This is just passing through these 2 points. So we will name it as line AB. और आप इसको कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Just write AB and put the symbol of line above it, right? So you can write it as line AB. Clear? Next, line segment. Suppose this is the line, right? Because it doesn't have end point. If I take fixed part of this line, अगर मैं इस line का कोई fixed part, that means segment ले लेती हूँ, for example this part and this part, right? I'm just taking 3 centimeter part of this line. Suppose this is 3 centimeter, right? Now it becomes line segment. It means line segment is the part of line. It is a part of a line. It has 2 end points because fixed length है ना, हम कुछ part ले रहे हैं line का. We cannot extend it in both the direction. So it has 2 end point. This is starting point and this is ending point. And fixed length. Suppose 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. This will be fixed. And if the ending points are P and Q, suppose the ending points are P and Q, how will you name it? You will write it as line segment PQ, right? ऐसे लिख सकते हैं. और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Simply write PQ and above PQ just put the symbol of line segment. Clear? Next is ray. It has one end point like this. Have you heard about the sun rays? This is the initial point because rays कहाँ से start हो रही हैं? From the sun. And this is reaching to different point, right? रिवर में भी जा रहा है, टेरेस पर भी जा रहा है, राइट. एंडिंग पॉइंट इज नॉट फिक्स्ड बट स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट इज सन. सो रे मीन्स starting point we have but we doesn't have ending point. So ray has one starting point but no end point, right. It can be extended in one direction. इस डायरेक्शन से हम इसको कितना भी एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं, राइट. सो दिस इज द रे and if starting point is A and ending point is not there because this is ray now. So if it is passing through the point B, so we will represent it as ray AB, right. We will name it as ray AB. और कैसे लिख सकते हैं? Just write AB and above it put the symbol of ray. Now students, before moving further, let us understand the difference between point, line segment and the ray. Point, it look like a dot. It doesn't have length, width, size or shape. It just has position. We name it with capital letters. Line, it doesn't have any fixed length, no end point. line में कोई end point नहीं होते. It can be extended in both the directions. Clear? Now line segment, this is the part of line. लाइन का पार्ट होता है. इट हैज़ टू एंड पॉइंट्स, दिस इज एंड दिस इज. इट हैज़ फिक्स्ड लेंथ, राइट. इसमें होता है नो एंड पॉइंट. इट हैज़ टू एंड पॉइंट्स and ray has only one end point, right. No fixed length in line, no fixed length, right. It has, line segment has fixed length. Ray has no fixed length because we can extend it in one direction. Arrow है ना one side पर. No fixed length. Clear? So from here it is clear that, यहाँ से ये clear है कि अगर डॉट की तरह नज़र आ रहा है, this is point, कोई end point नहीं है, this is line. Two end points will be line segment and ray only one end point. Now students, based on the definitions which I have explained, let's identify the following. First, it has two end points. So two end points means fixed length भी होगी, right. So this is line segment, right. It has one end point and one arrow, right. So it can be extended in one direction. So this is ray, like sun rays. Next, this is looking like dot, so this is point, right. Next, one end point and one arrow, it means this can be extended in one direction, right. So this is ray, like sun rays. This has two end points, this one and this one. So what is it? This is line segment. Next, this has two end points, right. So this is line segment. Next, one end point and one arrow, it means this can be extended in this direction, right. So what is it? This is ray, like sun rays. Now students, to draw line segment we use ruler, right. We call it ruler. How we will use it? Let's understand. In starting, this is the centimeter we have, and in starting there is 0. यहाँ पर 0 लिखा है, right. We always start drawing line from this 0. कुछ students क्या करते हैं? They start drawing line from here. यहाँ से ड्रॉ नहीं करेंगे, you will start with 0, right? This is 0. Now after 0, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now it becomes 1, right? What does it mean in smaller lines? का मतलब क्या है? For example, if you want to draw line 3 centimeter, अगर आपको 3 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल कीप योर स्केल ऑन योर नोटबुक प्रॉपरली. फर्स्ट डॉट you will put on 0 and next point you will put on 3 because you are going to draw the line of 3 centimeter. Now you will meet them, right? So this is the line of 3 centimeter. For example, if you want to draw the line of 4 centimeter, first point you will draw on 0 and second point you will draw on 4, right? Now draw the straight line. So this is the line segment of 4 centimeter. ये कितना line segment है? Of 4 centimeter. Now if they ask to draw the line segment of 2.5, अगर points में आ जाता है तो आप कैसे करेंगे? Starting point will be on 0, right? Now after 2 you want 0.5 because you want to draw 2.5 now. So after 2 you will count 5 smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is the 5. So ending point will be here. Now meet them. This is the line segment of 2.5 centimeter. Clear? Suppose you want to draw the line segment of 1.3 centimeter. Suppose आपको कितना line segment draw करना है? 1.3. So starting point will be on 0. Starting point हमेशा 0 पर ही होगा. You want to draw 1.3 centimeter ना? So after 1 you will count 3 smaller lines. 1 के बाद कितनी smaller lines count करनी है? 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? So ending point will be here. Now meet them. So this is 1.3 centimeter. Clear? Now students, for better understanding, let's draw some line segments. Now students, suppose you want to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. First of all, put the scale straight. Put the dot, initial dot at 0 and ending dot at 3 because you want to draw a line segment of 3 centimeter. Now meet them, right? So this is the line segment of 3 centimeter. Next you want to draw the line segment of 2.5 centimeter. Initial point will be on 0 here and ending point will be after 2 you will count 5 smaller lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. So ending point is here. Now meet them. This is the line segment of 2.5 centimeter. Next, suppose you want to draw the line segment of 7.4 centimeter. So starting point will be on 0 and ending point will be 7.4. It means after 7, 4 smaller lines. This is 7 and after 7, 4 smaller lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. So ending point is here. Now meet them. Right? So this is the line segment of 7.4 centimeter. So students, in this video you have learnt about the point, line segment and ray. And I have also explained how to identify point, line segment and the ray. And we have also discussed how to draw line segment of different measure. Right? Now I'm sharing a PDF. You will note down that PDF in your notebook. And in that PDF, some questions for practice is also given, right? You will solve those questions and then you will send it at my personal number. Thank you. Have a good day.